What's up, subscribers? Welcome back to the channel. This is BADOOK of zebianmnl. So before we start our video, we would like to give a huge shout out to our friend TUBEBUDDY of MASIMUT Clothing. MASIMUT Clothing is an activewear or clothing based in Bicol, especially in the Rinconada area. So if you would like to get a shirt from him, so just contact him in Facebook, and maybe you can also check the links below. Again, welcome back to the channel. It's been quite a while since I have uploaded a new video. It's because of the pandemic. I felt burnt out of doing my routines, and because of the pandemic, there's also the part of being scared going out because you might not know if you'll get the virus. But still, we have to go on, and I needed to take a break. I don't know if this is the first or actually just the second video of this year, but we recently have a new reason to start all over again. I just got our Google AdSense pin. It's over here, and I already had it on my YouTube account, which basically means that I'll be having the chance to earn from our YouTube videos. So if it's not a big deal for you guys, please do like and subscribe to our channel, and of course watch our videos so that we can reach out to more of our friends who would like to earn and learn from leather crafting. And as a way of giving back to our supporters, I have actually announced way before that I will be giving out 8 leather play buttons as a way of Thanksgiving. So here are the nominees, and those who nominated, they're the channels who are eligible to get our leather play buttons, and we will be raffling off in a while. Alright, so here's the list of those who are eligible for our leather play button award. So first we have Howie Baray, who is nominated by Doms T or Doms Tuason. Next is Trick Ramos, nominated by Sigerman Vlogs. Then we have Ramaram Vlog, nominated by Jealousy. Then we have the Photographers, which is nominated by X Lahora. Jane Dinglasa, nominated by Thundertrans Nauna. Ian Howe, nominated by Biker TZ BV. That's Bella, which is nominated by Yukari Torres. And lastly, we have Claro the Third, nominated by I'm Hicks. Alright, so let's pick 4 from our list, and the 4 of our winners will also be giving away the 4 leather play buttons to their nominees. So our first we have Yukari Torres. We have Sigerman Vlogs. We have X Lahora. And lastly, we have I am Hicks. So again, congratulations to these 4, and thank you for participating. Alright, that's it. That's one new video. See you tomorrow. That's one new video. See you tomorrow.